Good morning, class 2. Today we are going to start our new chapter. This chapter is really very interesting also. See the heading of the chapter. Money. You all know money is very important in our life. If you want to buy anything, you have to spend some money on it. Okay, when you go to some of shop and you want something from that shop, you have to pay money to that people. So money is used to buy something or to pay people for their services. Money is in the form of coins and notes. Coins are made of metals and notes are printed on paper. In India, currency is in rupees and paise. So, what we understood from this, that when we want to buy anything, suppose you went to a shop and you asked for an ice cream. So for that ice cream, you have to pay some amount. Maybe that ice cream is of 10 rupees or 20 rupees. And if you are paying for some services, like any maid or any staff bhaiya is there in your house, even us, we teachers, we are giving service in the school. We are teaching you all. So for that, we are getting money. In the same way, money is used to buy something and to pay people for their services. There are two types of money, in coins and in notes. In coins, in India, this 50 paise, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin is available. And notes or paper currency, see 1 rupee, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. Now 200 also, 500 and 2000. These are the paper currency and these are metal currency, or we say coins, are available in India. The Indian currency is known as rupees, or this 50 paise. This is paise. Symbol of rupee and paise is this. Rupee we denote with this symbol, and for paise we write a small p with the down tail. Now come to the next page. Write rupee 300 in words. So what you have to do? You have to write this 300 in words. How you can write? 300 rupees. When question asks you to write in words, you have to write this rupees also in words. 300 rupees. And suppose something is given in paise also. How you can recognize that this is written in paise? Before paise, there is a small decimal. See this point? This is known as the decimal. Whatever is before this, okay, means to the right hand. This is rupees. To the left, see, from your side, this is will be the paise. From our hand side, this right hand will be the paisa and this left hand will be the rupees, if you are looking from your side. Now for writing this, how we can write? 100 rupees. This 100 is rupees. Rupees 100 and 50 paise. See, rupees are to the left of the point. Left means this, from your side, left hand side. This is your left hand. So this will be rupee and your right hand after the point will be the paise. Now what you have to do today? Today you have to write this exercise. Give your classwork and today's date 08/07/2020. Let us start. See here, rupees 6.50 means this 50 is paise. How you can write? 6 rupees and 50 paise. In the same way, you can write this also. See, rupees 750 paise. How we can write? 700 rupees. When we write in words, this rupee we write later on, and when we are denoting it in this numeral form, we give the rupee symbol before. Okay, 700 rupees and 50 paise. So easy. And if it is in full number, no decimal, 389 rupees. 389 rupees. Like this, you also have to write in words. Now, let's come to the B number question. In B number question, in words it is already given. You have to write in numbers. So whatever is with rupees, you have to write with the rupee symbol. Whatever is in paise, you write with a point. See here, 90 rupees. So rupees 90 and 50 paise means you have to give a decimal here and 50. When you are giving decimal, it is not required to write P here for paise. It is automatically clear that when you are writing any digit after decimal, that would be in paise. Now see here, 3058 rupees. 3058 rupees. Nothing is there in the hundreds place, so we have put 10. 3058 rupees. Ones, tens, 100,000. Very easy. Now come here, 300 rupees and 50 paise. So rupees will be 350 paise. Okay, understood? Very good. Now let us turn this page. Come to the next page. Evaluate the total amount. You have to evaluate what is the total of this coins. You have to write here the amount. See, 50 paise plus 50 paise will become 1 rupee. In 1 rupee, how many paise are there? 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise is 100. So rupee is 1. Now 100 rupees plus 50 rupees note plus 20 rupees note. What you have to do? You have to add this. Okay, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170. In this way you have to do. Look here, 500 plus 10. 510 rupees and this is 50 paise. That's why we have written with the decimal. In the same way, you also have to do this exercise. So, can you do this exercise yourself? Let me do 2 for you. See here, 500 rupees and 100 rupees. This will be rupees 600. Come to the next page. 200 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 50 paise. So 205 plus 2 7. 207 rupees plus 50 paise. You can also do this by writing in your copy. If you want, you can write it in your copy also and then you can add. Suppose this is 200 rupees. You can write here rupees 200, then 5. So only 5 we write in the ones place. 2. Only 2 we write in the ones place. 50 paise. Paise we always write with the decimal to the right hand side. Now add this. So after decimal there is only in the one place 50. So 50 paise. 5 plus 2, 7. 0, nothing is there. We'll put down the 0 itself. 2. This will be your answer. Look here. Same answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. Find the total amount in each purchase as per given rate. See here, in this question, rates of some of the objects is given over here. You have to write their rates here and you have to take out the total. Means you have to do the addition. Just now I have done this for you. In the same way you have to do the addition of this one. See, number 1 example has been done for you. Ball. Price of ball rupees 140. So you write in the rupee column. In paise this will be 00. Nothing in paisa. Now grapes. See, grapes is for rupees 25. Same. Now balloon. Balloon is for 50 paise. So when it is paise you have to write on the paise side. Now 0, this 5, this becomes 50 paise. Now you have to add the rupee side also. 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 2, 6, 1, take down 1. Like this only you have to do this for all the objects. One I will do for you. Top. Where is the top over here? See here, top. 7 rupees 50 paise. So you have to write 7 in the rupee column, 50 in the paise column. And one more thing you have noticed that in this question decimal is not there. That's why we are writing paise with the paisa. Okay, if we use decimal we don't write paisa. But if we are not using decimal we are writing p, small p. Now top rate this much. Now pen, the rate of the pen is rupee 14. So write here 14. Write the digits very properly. Okay, proper column you have to write in the proper column. Now teddy, the rate of teddy is rupees 35. So you write here 35. Now you have to add this. So in paisa column there is only 50 paise. You write here 50 and p. Now add this side. 7 plus 4, 11, 5, 16, 6 plus 1. Just carry it. 1 plus 1, 2 and 3, 5. Rupees 56 and 50 paise. Very easy. Let's move to the next page. This also you have to complete the same way. Now we'll move to the next portion of this chapter in our next class. Today's work you have to complete the first portion of this exercise. Page number 111, 101, 102. Next half 103 and the back side of this where the rest of the question of given of this number. Okay, I hope you have understood your homework. So do your homework. Bye bye, take care, and I'll meet you in our next class.